What do your phone, your home, your car, your train ride, and even the sun powering your rooftop have in common? They all exist thanks to refractories. From steel frames to copper wiring and glass windows, your car is forged in fire. Refractory materials withstand the heat so it can hit the road. Your smartphone, built on molten glass and precision silicon, made possible by refractory linings. Modern buildings stand tall on materials produced at extreme temperatures. Behind every window and wall, refractories protect the process. Rails, wheels, cabins, controls. The entire rail network runs on materials shaped by fire and protected by refractories. Even clean energy begins with fire. From ultra-clear glass to precise silicon wafers, solar panels begin in furnaces lined with refractories. Wherever we go, however we live, whatever we build, refractories make it possible.